Hey everyone, I am really excited to introduce you to the August 2020 monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. First, let's take a look at this amazing monthly kit. Okay, let's take a look at this awesome monthly kit starting with the die cuts. And these give you an idea of what the color scheme is going to be, and it's pretty awesome this month. There's some dark green and some mint green. I love this mustardy yellow with the buttery yellow. There's some great embellishments in here to draw your eye to things, to add some journaling, or just some embellishments. You could actually use this for part of your title. I love this today tag, and you'll be seeing that kind of design in just a few minutes on another product. So really awesome die cuts this month. Let's take a look at the 4x6 tags next. Here we have a beautiful coral journaling tag. I love this one, photograph notes. You can stick your little photos, your square photos in here. And this one says remember in blue, so a great place for list making there. Then we have the 3x4s. I love when there's a tag in here that incorporates most of the colors from the kit, and this is the one here. It's beautiful green and mint green. That would be great for a title or your journaling. Yay, fun. Currently obsessed with another coral. This one's pretty because it has pink and coral. You make the sun shine brighter. I love that. And I love this font. 3 things right now. Today was a good day. Currently in fuchsia again. Notes from our daily routine. Love this composition notebook pattern. That's really cool. Photograph notes. There's another composition notebook. I think after I film this, I'm going to have to go and order a composition notebook because I miss them. This blue starry background. This is similar to the pattern in the Summer Fun paper stack. And then the yellow star. And today was a tough day, and we always need journaling tags like that, don't we? So there's that gorgeous kit. Tons of awesome die cuts and tags this month. Okay, for my friends who didn't know, if you just loved the kit that I showed you, you can bundle all of the add-ons if you're a monthly subscriber. So you can go to the link in my video notes and start a subscription today with the August kit, and you can bundle all of these add-ons to go in your box with your kits. You don't have to pay for extra shipping. You also get special discounts each month on certain brand new products. So it's a really awesome deal to become a subscriber, and you can cancel at any time. So these are the August labels, which coordinate with all of the amazing colors from the kits. You always know that your labels are going to match. Next up, let's check out the stickers. We have the composition label stickers, which I'm super excited about, in all of these different colors. We also have a new day stickers. So this one is kind of uplifting. It's talking about excited for today, simply wonderful, everything will be okay, real life right now, this was worth it. So there's lots of great sayings on here. Some of them are in color, some of them are black and white. Let's go to the dimensional stickers, and I think this might be my favorite product this month. Super excited about it. These chipboard tags. Let me just open this up so I can show you that these tags, this chipboard is matte. It is not shiny, it's matte. So you can actually write, you can stamp, you can do whatever you want on these, and it's not going to come off. You don't have to use StazOn. They are beautiful, and look at the colors on these chipboard tags. I just love how graphic and bold this set is. So much fun. Next up, we have the So Cool puffy stickers, and this is the font that you'll see in the monthly kit. So you have hello, life, awesome, silly, and fun times, and then you have these little labels as well. You have the stars and the dots, and I love these white outline stars. Okay, let's check out some wood veneer. August is the start of school for a lot of kids if they go back to school this year. So this is the ABC wood veneer. So you can use this, it fits in a pocket, you can put it on a card for your kiddo's first day of school to put in their lunchbox. It just has a lot of fun things. You could even color some different letters that might spell a word in here, put it on a layout. Super fun. These are the wood veneer circles, and you'll see that there's icons like asterisks and plus signs, hearts, stars, and there's also words like love, fun, faith, and they're not perfect circles, so they're very playful and fun, and they would be great to paint or color. Next up, we have a new set of acrylic hearts, and we have some that are cool and mirrored like this rose gold one, and then we have these ones here that are frosted in all the different colors of the kit this month. How about some stamps? Let's take a look at the list stamp. So this stamp is great for doing a top 10 list, top 5 list. You can actually cut it off if you want at the 5, or you can just ink up the top 5 if you want to do a top 5 list instead of a top 10. You can put these headers on it. Grateful for things that make me smile. These are the facts I want to remember. 3 things right now. So there's lots of great ways to use this. You can also use this little dot to color in these circles. Last but not least, we have the Shine Brighter stamp. Remember that saying that we saw on the monthly kit tag, you make the sun shine brighter? Well, here you have it in the stamp. I love these little groupings of stars and hearts. Then these really cool banners. You can add these phrases inside the banner. You could stamp the solid first in a lighter color and then go over it with this this lined banner over top of it with a darker color. There's also some journaling lines here, and I have to show you this. There is a Shine Brighter banner die. How awesome is that? So you can do the die itself, you can do the die with a cutout star, which is really cool, or a cutout heart. So I'm super excited about the possibilities with this stamp this month. Thank you so much for watching this Elle Studio August 2020 monthly kit and add-ons unboxing. Remember, I told you guys that it's awesome to become a subscriber because you get perks like bundled shipping, you get discounts, and all sorts of other great things, and there's no penalties for canceling at any time. Be sure to check out all of the new products that I've showed you today at the link in my video notes. Don't miss out on them because August is usually a pretty popular month, and these products are sure to be a big hit. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my feed for more unboxing videos, and happy creating with your brand new Elle Studio products.